Hello, my name is Malavika Ajith and welcome to KTUGuru. Today, I'll be discussing about the new scheme of KTU. KTU has just updated its scheme for next year and we are here to simplify things for you. Number 1. Pass mark. The first and the most noticeable change in the scheme is the change of pass mark. The pass mark of 45 has been reduced to 40. Number 2. Internal marks. The requirement of minimum internal marks of 22.5 out of 50 has been completely removed from the system. Number 3. Number of modules. The number of subjects to be studied is still 6, but the number of modules has been reduced from 6 to 5. 2 labs are also included per semester. Number 4. Lab exams. Lab exam question papers will be now be set by the KTU, but whether the question papers, the answer sheets will be corrected by the KTU or not is not specified. Number 5. Credits. The credits required for the completion of the course has been reduced from 182 to 162. Number 6. Honours degree. With the new scheme, the honours degree has been changed drastically. The students can apply for honours degree from S4 onwards. To get the honours degree, the students have to satisfy a set of criteria. 1. You have to study 4 extra subjects along with the B.Tech degrees prescribed 5 and you have to earn 12 credit points. 2. The students must do 2 online courses from NPTEL and earn 8 credits. 3. The total credits required for honours program is 182, that is 162 for B.Tech program and 20 exclusively for honours program. 4. The course must be completed within the 8 semesters. 5. The student must have a CGPA of 8.5 or more to get the honours program at the end of 4 years. The advantage of doing honours program is that you can compensate the credit loss by studying the extra subject. Number 7. Minor degree. Since the amount of materials to be studied is reduced, you have more time in your hands. KTU provides a technical supplement for the reduced curriculum. Minor degree is a new program introduced in B.Tech curriculum by KTU. It is a specialization of a particular branch of study. It was present earlier in KTU, but it was solely for M.Tech students. Registration for minor degree starts in the 3rd semester. The points to be noted are: first, you have to study 4 subjects from a different branch and earn yourself 12 credits. You can register for only 4 subjects. 2. You must also do 2 online courses of 4 credits each, totaling 8. 3. You can opt out of difficult subjects because the credit points will be compensated by the extra subjects. You can specialize in the subjects you are interested in and in your own course also. You can earn credits from them and you can get a minor degree. 5. However, failing can lead to termination of period of study. Number 8. Attendance. The system of minimum attendance has not been changed in the new scheme. This means that the minimum attendance to be required is 75% and continuation can only be applied if the attendance is above 60%. Number 9. Internship. The engineering education according to KTU is not just about mugging up of questions and answers, but the overall development of an engineer. For this, time has been set apart, a period of 4 months where you can do an internship. The prescribed time is between S5 and S7. Number 10. Startups. The new scheme of KTU is quite startup friendly and will be a huge advantage for the aspiring entrepreneurs. KTU provides leave for startup aspirants so that they can focus more on the completion of the work. Number 11. Grace marks. Grace marks will be provided to the winners of arts and sports. Grace mark will also be provided to handicapped students. The condition is that they should acquire the minimum pass percentage of 40. Number 12. Diploma or B.Voc. If you still find it difficult to cope up with the curriculum, you don't have to drop out of the course. You can get a diploma or B.Voc, that is Bachelor of Vocational Training. KTU has been a subject for trolls and insults due to its inconsiderate system. Maybe they have fixed it, or maybe they have made it worse. We can only wait for the responses of the 2019 batch. So that's all, folks. Don't forget to like and share our video and subscribe to our channel. Press on the bell icon so that you get latest updates. This video is by KTUGuru. KTUGuru is an e-learning platform made efficiently to cater to the needs of all the students and the students of all branches. And guess what? It's totally free. This platform will be made available to you in around 60 days. Stay tuned to KTUGuru for more. Until then, this is Malavika Ajith signing off. Thank you.